Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about transferring money from your Robinhood account over to a bank account. So you can see from the homepage of the Robinhood application that I have buying power of around $100, and these are the funds that I can withdraw. Now, you might find yourself in a situation where the funds that you want to withdraw haven't settled yet. At that point in time, you're just going to have to wait up to 1 to a few business days for those funds to settle before you can transfer them over to your bank account. But what we want to do from the homepage is go down here to the bottom right-hand corner and click on our little profile image. And then from our profile page, what we want to do is click on these 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner, and this is going to open up the menu. And in the menu, we want to find where it says transfers, deposits, withdrawals. We're going to select that. And on the transfers page, you can see that there's an option to transfer to your bank. Now, if you want to add a bank or change the bank that you'd like to transfer these funds to, just scroll down to the linked accounts and click the little plus sign next to where it says add a new account, and you can link up the bank account that you'd like to transfer those funds to. If you guys remember, I had around $100 of buying power on the homepage, but I can see here with my withdrawable cash, it's only 1 cent, and that's because the funds that I had transferred over from my bank account are still pending and have not officially been transferred into my Robinhood account. And because this $100 deposit is still pending, that is why I would not be able to withdraw that cash at this point in time. I would need to wait for those funds to settle. But whatever funds that you have settled in your account that you'd like to transfer to your bank, just click on where it says transfer to your bank and then enter in how much that you'd like to transfer. I only have 1 cent available, so I'm just going to type that in for now. And then after you enter in how much you want to transfer, you can click on that little green check mark there. And then it says withdraw from Robinhood into my bank account. This is a one-time transfer. It will take a few business days to complete. And then you can click where it says withdraw money. And then it says withdraw submitted. Your 1 cent transfer to your bank has been initiated. This transfer will take a few trading days to complete. So then you can click done at the bottom. And you should be good to go at that point in time. So that's how you go about transferring funds from your Robinhood account over to your bank account. And again, guys, if you're running into issues where you're not having withdrawable cash, that just means that you need to wait for whatever funds that you're looking to withdraw to settle into your account. And that may take 1 to a handful of business days to settle into your account before you can withdraw it and transfer it over to your bank. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.